In order to update my content, I cannot lie, I needed to update my laptop first. So how else am I supposed to celebrate my 1 year other than getting a new laptop? Hey guys, it's Rihanna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my brand new, well, not totally brand new, but brand new to me, my 2023 MacBook Pro with the M3 chip. Let's get into it. So of course I needed to buy accessories too, so I got some Redbubble stickers, which honestly, Redbubble, if you're watching this, hey, y'all should just sponsor me at this point, because the amount of stickers I have gotten from you guys is absolutely embarrassing and ridiculous, but I'm still gonna go back for more. Anyways, so my first sticker is this little cute little airplane, because you know I love to travel, I'm just a girl. Next, I got my same old sticker as last time, because you know you just gotta love being black. Anyways, then we got a Michael Jackson sticker, because that's like my favorite artist right now. I also got a Rihanna sticker because my name is Rihanna and I also love Rihanna, and this was my absolutely probably favorite album, and I'm so sick that that was her last album, but hey, I guess ended off with a bang. Also have a Honduras sticker because you know, also Honduras, like gotta rep. I got a Belize sticker because Belizean things, like come on. Then we got Bronx sticker because you know, once a Bronx girl, always a Bronx girl. Then I got a scripture, Jeremiah 29 verse 11, my favorite scripture. For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you a hope and a bright future. So yes, I always need that reminder. I might actually get it tatted. That's a whole nother conversation. I have some lips, especially these ones. I love the grills, so like I had to get it. I love how my laptop is gonna get grills before I do, but hey, that's besides the point. Next is this little quote that says, if the love don't feel like 90s R&B, I don't want it, and that's facts. And then the other one is the poem Concrete Rose by Tupac. Main reason why I got a rose tatted on me. It says, long live the rose that grew from concrete when no one else ever cared. And I love that quote. Of course, it wouldn't be a Rihanna laptop if Spider-Man was not included. So we have Spider-Man with, it looks like an empanada, but it could also be a beef patty. I'ma just say it's a beef patty. Yeah. Anyways, isn't that low-key the same thing though? That's a whole nother conversation. And then of course we got Spider-Man, because like I had to bring that back. I had to. And then last but not least, we have this that says, I have to be successful because I like expensive things. So yeah, that's gonna be all my laptop stickers. I hope that everything fits. We might have to, like, you know, put things very close together, but we gonna find a way, okay? Next on the accessories for my laptop, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I needed a clear case because I don't like putting physical stickers on my laptop, so I thought the smartest thing for me was to get laptop stickers, and honestly it looks like I did my biggest one. Mine came with screen protector, accessories for the screen protector, I guess, like to wipe off the screen, whatever, cool. The bottom of the case, and I think the top too, yeah, the top is in there. A clear keyboard, which I love because, no offense to the black one that I used to have, it was just like, I don't know how to explain it. It was like, it was starting to rub off and I got sad. Oh, they gave me extra pads. Is that what that is? Perfect, because y'all, the last time I had these, like, they started coming off on the other case, so I'm actually very happy I have these. I might like carry them around in this pouch that they gave me a random pouch. I'm not upset though, because I needed a random pouch for the next item I'm gonna show, because I also got some adapters. Yes, this is an accessory for me. It's a USB Type-C cable to a USB Type-C, because for my, I can now put this in my USB Type-C, because before I needed an adapter to connect my external hard drive, because it's USB, the regular, to USB Type-C, which goes into this, and then I also needed to connect my SD card. But in the MacBook Pros, it comes with a SD card reader, so, or a slot I should say, so I don't need that adapter anymore, so I just went ahead and bought this so I could carry less. Like legit, now when I edit, like say I want to go to the library, I could legit just bring my external hard drive and my laptop. That's it. And of course like my SD card. So that's dope. Part you guys actually came for. You guys, oh, this is so tea. Wait, I'm trying to see. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna be honest. I think I told you guys before though, I got this completely refurbished, so I'm just like checking to see like, is there any noticeable marks that I see? And honestly, so far so good. Shout out to Amazon low-key for this service, because I feel like this is low-key saving the environment. Not low-key, high-key saving the environment by doing so. One, I love a deal. Right now, if I bought a brand new MacBook, it would be base price $16.99. And no offense to Apple, but I'm not making that type of dough right now. So yeah, no, I wasn't gonna get that laptop. So that's when I came up with the idea. Oh, they were trying to cover the mark. It's nothing super damaging though. Like you'll only notice if you look super hard. But overall, this laptop, not bad. It's not bad. Bada bang, bada boom. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, let's open her up. Oh my gosh, immediately it turned on. Oh my gosh, you guys, this laptop is so pretty. First of all, let me start off by saying, yeah, I don't think my laptop could update no more, because my laptop doesn't have this update. But then again, I don't remember the last time I updated any of my devices, and it wasn't automatic, so that was probably on me. I'm about to put the screen protector first before I set it up though. We're not taking no chances over here, y'all. I already managed to mess up the screen protector. Girl, don't ask me how. Do not, I said do not ask me how. I'm like, I'm praying I don't have air bubbles, but honestly I can't tell. Y'all, it's so cutesy. Okay, hold on. I need a second angle so y'all could see like what's going on. Okay, after a gajillion years later, we sort of have a setup over here. I'm so sorry for the glare. In the future, it's because I'm in front of my window, so you could literally see everything, and I can't close my window because if I close my window, it's gonna mess up the lighting, and I prefer this over this angle. But this is the laptop. Wait, angle's perfect when I have it like this. We might just have it sideways. Honestly, I got it all types of bent out of shape. But y'all, I forgot to put the keyboard cover on, but that's okay because I didn't lay a hand over the keyboard yet. I might have accidentally threw away the wipe though, so we're gonna just give it a light little wipe, you know, make sure that's clean. Ooh, did I also throw away the microfiber cloth? I mean, it's okay if I did, but yikes. Anyway, it comes with two. Oh, they're so goated for that. Y'all, it comes with two keyboard covers. Okay, the price for this honestly was not bad. I got two keyboard covers, a case, a clear case, a screen protector, plus all of these like little accessories like the pouch and all that. That is so dope. Honestly, like I said, if you guys want me to put the link, or I might just add it out the kindness of my heart, I'll put the link of everything below. I just have to find everything and remind myself to do it in the future. So now it's asking me to set up through an iPhone or an iPad. Currently I have my iPad over here, so I'm gonna set up like that. I just did that. Oh, let's get on Safari. Y'all, this seems so big. Is this really a 14-inch? It feels like a 16, I can't lie. My laptop background, aka my vision board. Wow, oh my gosh, y'all. Ah, it's so cutesy. Anyways, while I wait for that, let me add my stickers, because seeing my laptop bare like this is weird. You guys, it's coming out so cutesy. It's coming out like very right dominant, which means I'm just gonna need more stickers. But so far, y'all, I love this laptop. I will not lie. This is honestly giving such a different but the same vibes. Like, if you guys seen my first one, oh my gosh, like, y'all, this is so cutesy. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I don't even know where that song came from. Y'all see that? It's so cute, ain't it? You guys, I have completely set up my laptop with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy and so excited. I'm about to do like a couple of things just to make sure, because I am gonna sell my old laptop. Bittersweet moment for sure, because when I tell you, me and that laptop been through some things. We've been together through college. Oh my god. But I'm happy for new beginnings. And I'll catch y'all next time. Maybe for a what's in my tech bag or a packing video. Wink, wink. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, my loves. Hold on. Look into the eyes. One thing about it, okay, like little affirmations time. I love my eyes. Like, my eye color is so pretty to me, and I feel like because the sun is going down, y'all are really getting the full eye color. Like, it's so cute to me. It's so cutesy. I love my eye color, you guys. Like, to know me is to know I really love that.